What if the first city on Mars was built before humans even arrived? It may sound like science fiction, but researchers around the world are already exploring technologies that could one day make this possible. Mars is one of the most challenging places in our solar system. The air is extremely thin, temperatures can become incredibly cold, and powerful dust storms can last for weeks. Sending thousands of workers there before building shelters would be extremely difficult. That is why many scientists believe artificial intelligence and autonomous robots could prepare the planet first. Long before astronauts arrive, AI-controlled machines could begin exploring the Martian surface. Using advanced cameras, sensors, and satellites, they could search for safe landing sites, locate underground ice, and map the surrounding terrain with incredible precision. Once the safest location is identified, autonomous construction robots could start building protective habitats. Instead of carrying every building material from Earth, massive AI-powered 3D printers could use Martian soil to create walls, roads, research stations, and even living spaces. Every robot would communicate with the others, working together day and night without stopping. Artificial intelligence would constantly monitor every machine, correct mistakes, improve efficiency, and keep construction moving even in the harsh Martian environment. Step by step, the first foundations of a future Martian city could begin to appear.
But building houses is only the beginning. A real city needs water, energy, food, and a reliable transportation system. Artificial intelligence could coordinate thousands of robots at the same time, each one performing a different task. Some robots would dig deep underground, searching for frozen water hidden beneath the Martian surface. Others would build pipelines, purification systems, and storage tanks to supply clean water for future astronauts. Meanwhile, large solar farms would stretch across the Martian landscape, generating electricity during the day. AI would continuously monitor every solar panel, predict dust storms, and automatically send maintenance robots to clean and repair damaged equipment. Inside protected biodomes, intelligent farming systems could grow fresh vegetables, fruits, and other crops using recycled water and carefully controlled lighting. Every plant would be monitored by AI, making sure it receives the perfect amount of water, nutrients, and light. As the colony grows, autonomous cargo vehicles could transport supplies between different parts of the city, while underground transport tunnels connect research labs, living quarters, and industrial facilities. Every movement would be carefully managed by artificial intelligence, reducing delays, saving energy, and keeping the entire colony running efficiently. Little by little, a lifeless desert could begin transforming into a place where humans might one day live and work safely. As the first Martian city continues to grow, artificial intelligence would manage thousands of systems at the same time. Power generation, water recycling, air quality, transportation, and communication could all work together through one intelligent network. If a machine suddenly stopped working, AI could detect the problem within seconds, send maintenance robots to the exact location, and restore the system before it affected the entire colony. Scientists would spend less time solving technical problems and more time making new discoveries about Mars. Every mission, every experiment, and every new building would help humanity move one step closer to becoming an interplanetary civilization. Of course, many challenges still remain. Mars is an extremely harsh world, and building a permanent city there will require years of research, innovation, and international cooperation. But artificial intelligence is already changing the way we explore space. The first city on Mars may not be built by human hands alone. It could be built with the help of intelligent machines working day and night. What seems impossible today could become reality in the future. And when the first generation of people finally calls Mars their home, artificial intelligence may have helped build the path that made it possible. The future of humanity may begin on another world. Mars is no longer just a distant dream. With every new mission, every scientific discovery, and every advancement in artificial intelligence, the possibility of building a permanent home on another planet becomes more realistic. One day, the first sunrise over a thriving Martian city may be witnessed by human explorers. And behind that historic moment, artificial intelligence could be the invisible force that helped make it possible. The journey to Mars has already begun.